Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the week starting from 18th till 24th of October 2021. In this video we'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, so let's get started with your reading. To get a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, so what is there for my Leos? Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus. October 18 till 24th. Leos. At the back of the deck we have the renewal energy for you. So this is basically judgment energy in the tarot. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Leos. So I feel that there is something which you are really going through. It could be something related to the past. It could be some kind of dream which you might be getting from something which has happened in the past, something in relation with a bad situation, okay, where forgiveness is required, where strong will is required, when you have to accept some situations. So yeah, acceptance is required. It is definitely related with the past, and you know in your heart what to do, and you might be going through that process where you know what to do but you do not know where to start from. So yeah, we will clarify about it later. In the past we have Six of Wands, Justice and Wise Counselor. So Wise Counselor is the High Priest over here. There was a situation where you won something, okay. It could be a victory in love, a victory in career, something like success, a sudden recognition, where you might have chose something and the decision was right, okay, a decision made and that decision was right. In the past things were quite good, things were quite best for you. Whatever was coming towards you was the best for you. Things were, sometimes we feel that we are given injustice, but honestly universe has something else for you. So whatever happened was actually good for you, okay. In the present we have Six of Cups, the Moon and Ten of Cups. So strong emotions are going on in your life, you know, you are triggered emotionally. It could be something from the past or present only, a marriage issue, a marriage situation going on, but still there is an unnecessary worry which is coming up in the present. Although there is happy marriage, it could be a reconciliation. You might be getting married or you are already married. There's a reconciliation, you are talking to your ex or something like that, but still there is some kind of a worry. I don't know, we will clarify it later. In the coming future we have Two of Swords, Three of Swords and Queen of Cups. A situation where you are not able to take a decision. Might be regarding hard situations, but still you are not able to take decisions about it. We will clarify now. Tell me more about the renewal energy over here. What is this renewal? Judgment energy for my Leos. Strength, Six of Swords and Eight of Wands. You need strong courage and you need strength for a situation, for a decision making. Okay, it looks like you somewhere you lack strength here to take a decision. I don't know whatever this decision is, but you are not capable of taking that decision. Not because you are not capable, it's because you're not in the state of taking a decision right now, because this decision involves moving away from that situation, and you're not in that situation to take it right now. You might be waiting for the universe to do it yourself, but you yourself are not able to take that decision, honestly. Tell me more about the Six of Wands, Ten of Swords, Lovers, and the Three of Cups. So yeah, this is something related with the ending, which I told you that this was a victory for you. Might not be for you, but for the universe, this was a victory moment. Celebrations was there. Because of the endings, there were some celebrations. So yeah, basically something ended and you celebrated it because you were happy that it ended. I think there were bad energies, bad past, which ended. Tell me more about the Justice. Ten of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and Page of Cups. You were at a position where this could be a love situation or family situation, a divorce situation also, where you were given the, you were tricked in the situation. But since everything happened to be in your favor, you found out things were quite better for you. Tell me more about the Six of Cups in the present. Eight of Cups, Six of Wands again, and the Ace of Wands. So as I already told you that this was a victory moment, but still you were not the one who went back to your past person. There's the person from the past has come to you and asked for forgiveness, for one more chance. I feel somebody from the past has come and you are feeling that, okay, fine, I am ready to give you one more chance, but still I am feeling a little, your intuition is telling you something else, that this is something fishy. You might be dealing with the Pisces over here, or Pisces, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo energies coming up. Pisces again. Tell me more about the Moon energy, please. Page of Swords, Three of Pentacles, and Two of Wands. Yeah, definitely. You're feeling that somebody else is also involved in the situation. It's not just the two of you who are involved in the situation. There's something else, or someone else also who is involved, and you are really feeling fishy about the other person, and you're trying to investigate. Investigation is going on either from your side or your person's side, but strong investigation, because you want to know what is behind the scenes. Tell me more about the Two of Swords in the future. Six of Cups, okay. Ace of Pentacles and the Hierophant, yeah. You're not able to take the decision with the past person. It could have involved with they want one more chance, which I already told you. They want one more chance with you, but you are not ready to give them one more chance because you are not, the trust issues are still haunting you. You're not able to trust this person fully, and it's really hard for you to give them another chance. So the decision making, you are not sure about the decision making yet in the coming future also. Tell me more about the Three of Swords. I do not see a positive ending in the situation, because you want positivity in your life. Always, we do not want, sometimes we just want to live the good life. It might involve that the other person is not there with you, the person with whom you love. That person might not be with you, but still you ask the universe for happiness. That is something which is coming towards you in the coming future. More about the Queen of Cups for my Leos. I'm seeing you independent queen kind of a person, Leo, because you have lots of love in you, but you do not want that love to just to be exploited by someone else. Okay, you want a happy family, and no matter, you are so positive that no matter how much time it might take for the universe to give you the right person, you might stay single, but you are waiting for the perfect person to come to you, and the universe is listening to you. Okay, so just be prepared for the best to come to you. So that is all from my side, my dear Leos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.